Like, share and subscribe to the channel for more updates on HVAC and refrigeration. Hi everyone, this is another video of blast freezer. Okay, this is the nameplate, 5000 watts and 3-phase power supply, input power supply. This is the door. This is the door. Inside it is the rack on which we keep the material. These are the evaporator, fan motor. Above that evaporator is there. This is the space where we keep the material. The storage capacity is 50 kgs per batch. You can see this is the control panel. We'll go through compressor. This is the Danfoss compressor. You see that it is reciprocating compressor. Okay. These are the inlet and outlet valves, LPHP switch, accumulator, oil separator. Okay. This is the discharge valve. From here gas will be pumped to oil separator, and then it will goes to condenser. I'll show you the condenser. This is a condenser coil. From here it will come out through liquid line. This is liquid line filter dryer, then solenoid valve, and you can see that small side glass, and it goes to expansion valve, then evaporator coil. Okay. This is the control panel. You can see that. I will show you the details of that. Okay, this is the controller. Okay. We have to change the controller also. Okay. This is the controller, sub-zero controller, on off switch and indicator. Control panel. This is main MCB, timer, a compressor contactor with OLR, evaporator with OLR, phase preventer, control circuit MCB. We have started the compressor and the temperature is 6. You can see this is, we have adjusted the LPHP. The current temperature is plus 6.1. Okay. And this is the condenser fan motor. Condenser fan. Let's check it out after the temperature comes. Okay, now the temperature is minus 19. We have set to minus 20, and we have charging some gas, R404A gas. Okay, let's check indoor. Yeah, it's too foggy. Okay, due to that low temperature. Okay, we have connected the line, the gauge to cylinder and also to a suction line. We'll release the valve, the cylinder, and turn upside down. Okay, we release the air inside the line like this, and we'll release the gauge valve. You can see we are releasing the valve. Okay. The pressure is approximately nearly to 30. Okay. It is R404A refrigerant gas. Okay, now the temperature is minus 17. You can see, and the indoor it is same as foggy. And here it is the liquid and suction line, and also expansion valve. Okay, now the temperature is minus 19. It will trip now, and the compressor stops, and evaporator fan motors are running. You can see. Okay, we'll wait till compressor restarts. Okay. Okay, now the compressor starts. Okay, will gradually decrease the temperature. Okay, Now the cabin temperature, it is minus 8.5 as it is showing. We have changed the controller also changed the settings in it, as it has a defrost of hot gas line. Okay, now the compressor will not trip on minus 20 because we have did the settings as it is hot gas defrost line. You can see temperature is increasing when it will cut off through solenoid valve in LP. You can see now the compressor has tripped. Okay, now the temperature is minus 21. You can see indoor. For watching, and please support us for more videos. Okay, you can support through UPI and also PayPal. Thanks for watching. Thank you.